What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm in the Halloween spirit, so it's spooky season, and you know, not really going to be at Halloween parties or anything this year, but today I thought it would be fun for me to attempt to do some Pinterest Halloween makeup looks. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm not a makeup artist, disclaimer, but I do feel like I have a little creative, little creative touch to me, so we're gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna try a few looks and take you guys along with me, so let's do it. So I already have foundation on my face, so I'm not gonna redo that right now. So obviously this is like a Snow White inspired look, but we gonna call it Snow Black because I'm black. One thing about me though that I think is not going to work out is I'm a very impatient person when it comes to doing my makeup. And don't mind my dirty brushes, but I'm a very impatient person. I don't like to take a lot of time, so I'm probably gonna rush through these. Little blush piece. So let's start on this eye look. So it's blue. All right. Okay. I'm gonna do one eye on camera and then the other one off. It's like not blended out at all. I don't even have that many makeup brushes to be doing this, but let's see. So I'm supposed to have like a white face. Not horrible, I guess. Okay, the cut crease. What the? I just don't know what I'm doing. So I assume I leave it like that. Oh God. Okay. This is so ugly. Like I said, I'm gonna do the other eye off the camera, but I think I learned from some of my mistakes already, and I think it might look okay. Let's see. It's not bad, actually. It's not horrible. Could be better, but whatever. What the heck? There we go. Okay, I'm kind of looking like the girl. So I'm gonna draw the breaks actually with eyeliner. They're not super straight. That's okay. I also have some actual black paint. Just taking some black eyeshadow to do some shading to give it some dimension, you know what I mean? The pieces, give them some dimension, make them look like they're really coming off my face. All right, so I am going to do the other eye off camera, put the lipstick on. I have the final look. Let's see how this goes. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I look like literally those memes that say like when you expect it to look like this online and this is what you get when you order it or something. I look bootleg, not even gonna lie. Hold on, I got me a apple. So this is the first look. I am going to rate it I'll give it a 6. As far as execution, I think it has potential. Like I said, I'm impatient, but to say I did it really fast, I think this would be cute if I actually was going as Snow White to a party or something. All right, on to the next one. So my face is now prepped. I just have some foundation on for the next look, which is this one. I'm excited about this one. it shouldn't be as hard. So let me do the natural side first. So natural look. Great, moving on. So this is a pink glam look. I said I'm gonna recreate these exactly how they are. So, guess we're doing pink today. I don't really like doing the under eye thing. I understand though it makes a better glam look. I'm just not good at it. I just feel like it makes me look absolutely ridiculous. Yes, I'm using the same brush for all these different pink colors. Why? Because, you know, I'm not a makeup artist and I don't care about doing things the appropriate way. Cool. Ew. Golly. The natural side is looking better than this glam side, but I'm not giving up. I think it could come out pretty. Let's put on a lash, baby. I have a really big lash that I think, I don't know, I got this from a hair brand before. These bad boys are like super drastic. I've never worn anything like this. Sheesh. Heck to the nah. Okay, now to create the boxes. So I need my white. I think I'm gonna have to use the white makeup, but we'll outline it with this. All right, so I have some of this actual face paint, which I think the white should be more potent. Red pins at the top. I actually think I'm going to use the eyeliner, or try to. This is gonna be hard. I'm excited about this one. It shouldn't be as hard. Ugly. From here, I need to add what? Depth to it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of dark brown. That's black. All right, you guys, so this is this one. What do you think? I would rate this one an 8. Is that too high? I would give it an 8 because I feel like I did a pretty good job. The eye looks pretty, you know, it's not that hard of a look, but I would say the reason why I took points off is because the squares are different sizes and I couldn't get the letters like that great. So like when you're looking straight on, you don't see all the letters, but that's okay. I feel like this is such a weird like look to look at, but maybe it photographs nice. Let's see. All right, so let's take this off. I'm gonna try maybe one more look. I might try some more, but let's see. All right, so got my face all prepped again for this next look, which I'm really excited about because it seems like it should be easy and really cute. It's a clown makeup look, so I'll insert it here. And yeah, it has nice like glitter and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get to it. It's just hard because sometimes I don't know how colors are gonna come up on my skin. And it's Halloween, like yes, it should look cute, but it doesn't have to be perfect, you know? Bam! Now adding some of the glitter. I know there's other ways to go about this, but that's the way I'm going about it. Ooh, that's pretty. I might have made a mistake though because I did not put on the concealer. I'm rushing so fast through this, but my camera is about to die. I need to just draw a triangle about here. Oh gosh, this is not gonna be as cute as hers. So do I want to put on these massive lashes for this? I don't know. Yeah, I feel like I have to do the really dramatic ones for this look. Wow. All right, I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll come back and do the nose and the cute lip look. Okay, so I got both the eyes done. I'm gonna fly away. This looks pink, but it's supposed to be red. Okay, I guess it's red. No way. No, this thing pink. It said red on the thing, but this is clearly pink. That pink ain't gonna work, honey. It ain't gonna work. Okay, it's kind of cute. It'll do. All right, I need to line it black at the top. Now I'm gonna take the black and line it. Nah. This one is the best one. You. Yes. Do I look like it? This is the best one, 100%. I am going to rate this, I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10 because it doesn't look like perfect, but honestly you guys, if I was taking my time doing this and this was my actual costume, I know I would kill these looks, like I'm telling you. But for some reason I'm just like super eager to get them done and I was going really fast. But this one I think was definitely probably the easiest, and it looks cute, like it looks good. So what do you guys think? Let me know. But let me know in the comments below which Halloween makeup look you enjoyed watching me do the most. Was it number 1? Was it number 2? Or was it this look, number 3? Let me know in the comments below. Also, you can rate them too. Rate what you rate look number 1, look number 2, and look number 3 in the comments. Let me know, because you know, I think I didn't do that bad. It's not horrible. Like I said, I was rushing, but I'd like to know what you guys think. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great Halloween holiday if you celebrate, or if you just want to be in the house, play with makeup, you can do that too. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. My eyes are like literally like, I'm trying so hard to keep them open. But yeah, turn on your post notifications to be updated every time I upload. I typically make house series videos or videos that are different from this, but this is my channel, so I can do whatever I want. You know what I mean? So if you're interested in seeing more of my life and what I do, make sure you are subscribed. But until next time, I will see you guys later.